It's Mocktail Monday, and today's drink is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Hello, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Saturday is St. Patrick's Day, and we have a festive green mocktail that you can enjoy even if you're laying off the hooch. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of strong ginger tea, 2 ounces V8 Caribbean greens, and a 1/4 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. It's even good for you. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.